Good evening, everyone, to present here. It is indeed a matter of immense pride and joy to welcome you all to the 160th online interactive session, which also marks the 129th Leadership Development Program by Corporate Mentors, organized by Delhi School of Professional Studies and Research, DSPSR. I extend my heartfelt greetings to our esteemed honorable guest speaker for the day, Mr. Jay Prashar sir, Honorable Senior Professor Ajay Kumar Singh sir, Honorable Director of the College Professor Dr. Mahesh Sharma sir, respected Registrar Dr. R.S. Singh sir, our distinguished faculty members, and my dear fellow students. I am Miss Yukta, a proud BBA student from the batch 2024 to 2028 at TSPSR. Feel deeply honored to stand before you this evening. DSPSR has always been committed to nurturing leadership, fostering innovation, and shaping young minds into future ready professionals. Today's session is another remarkable step in that direction, an opportunity to explore industry insight, learn from real world experiences, and growth under the guidance of dynamic professionals. To begin this enlightening evening on an auspicious note, let us partake in the symbolic ritual of lighting the virtual lamp. This card act signifies the triumph of knowledge over ignorance and illumination of wisdom, positivity, and hope. May this divine flame of learning continue to guide us toward clarity, purpose, and enlightenment. Now, I kindly request Arun sir to please play the virtual lamp lighting video.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा शुभं भवतु कल्याणम् आरोग्यं सुखसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते.
Thank you, Arun sir. Now, it is my great honor to welcome our distinguished speaker for today, Mr. Jay Prashar sir, a passionate business development enthusiastic. IIM Lucknow certified professional and an accomplished regional sales manager at Print Graph Converting Machinery LLP. Sir
Thanks,
is a
Nichita.
seasoned professional with a strong foundation in mechanical engineering, complement by an MBA in marketing management and an executive program in sales and marketing from IIM Lucknow, a combination that reflects both technical depth and strategic business understanding. With over 9 years of diverse experience across leading organizations such as Print Graph Converting Machinery LLP, Wifac Polytype India, Refund Hauser India, and UFLEX Group, he has developed exceptional expertise in CI, Flexo, and rotogravure printing technologies, sales and business development, packaging and line machinery sector, technical marketing and customer solutions, wide format and narrow format printing technology. Sir has successfully transitioned across multiple roles from production and service engineer to technical marketing engineer to sales executive and now leading as a regional sales manager. His journey reflects a continuous growth, dedication, innovation, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. On behalf of DSPSR, I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to you, Mr. Jay Prashar sir. We are truly privileged to have you with us today and eager look forward to your valuable insights on sales strategy, industry trends, leadership, and the evolving world of printing and packaging technology.
Thank you so much, Yukta.
We are equally delighted. Thank you, sir. We are equally delighted to have with us our moderator for today's session, Mr. Anubhav Mishra, BBA student from the batch 2023 to 2026 at the SPSR. Mr. Anubhav is a dedicated and enthusiastic student leader who has consistently demonstrated excellence both academically and professionally. He has scored 8 plus GPA in every semester, showcasing his strong academic foundation. He currently serves as the director, as the secretary of the Road Track Club (DSPSR), where he plays a vital role in event coordination, leadership development, and community initiatives. His experience also includes joint director of editorial department, Road Track Club (DSPSR), class representative BBA first year, certificates in leadership, e-business, and financial literacy. Armed with strong communication skills, decision making abilities, and leadership qualities, he brings confidence and clarity to his role as moderator. On behalf of DSPSR, I warmly welcome you, Mr. Anubhav, and we are delighted to have you moderate today's insightful session. Over to you, Anubhav.
Thank you so much, Yukta, for this introduction. I also welcome you, sir. You're
Thank you
here
so much.
on this session of ours. First of all, I have checked your LinkedIn profile, and I have seen you were in sales, manufacturing, of course, service
Mhm.
engineering and all. So, as a student, when you were a student, like us, so how difficult was that, sir, for you to determine, all right, okay, I want to pursue my career in this now? Like, what challenges you may have faced while choosing your career?
So, another thing was this that I was clear on one thing that I always wanted to be a mechanical engineer. So,
Okay.
first step was clear for me from the since beginning, since I was a 9 or 10 year old kid. I had a passion about the machines, how they work, how they being manufactured. So, it was clear for me that I want to be a mechanical engineer, first of all. Now, being how I wanted to be in a sales, it happened during my BTech.
Okay.
So as we are here today attending a seminar, so I've attended some seminars over there. And during that period, I got to know that if you want to go in your career, if you want to be at a level
Mm.
to a director or CEO level, the fastest way is by sales, by entering the sales.
Okay.
So I just wanted to do sales of machines only so that I can pursue my passion regarding the machinery and I
Mm.
also can enter the sales to grow my career. So that's
Okay.
how I decided that after BTEL I have to go for MBA in marketing.
And what year was this when you were doing your BTech?
Uh, it was around 2015, 11 to 15.
2015. Okay. So in 2015, you have so you have to go to the sales, and you
Yes,
have this 9 years of experience. So it builds after that only.
yes.
Okay. So and was it even a little difficult for you to little bit shifting from BTech to sales? You have faced any challenges during that point of time?
Yeah. It was totally a challenge because being an engineer, you know how to make a machine, how to solve the problems.
Yeah.
But for being in sale, you should know how to talk to a customer, how to
Mm.
convince them.
Yeah.
You should have the ability to listen.
Hmm. So
So
me.
that was,
Yeah.
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 So that was a time which was a difficult period for me. But
Hmm.
yeah, as you go on, you learn many things on the side, the job, you learn many things daily. So eventually it will help you.
Okay, yeah. And what were, sir, some of the core skills that you have focused after the BTech? Okay, after the BTech, you have focused on some core skills that also helped you in sales
Yeah,
also.
the main core skill which you need is communication.
Yeah.
You should able to communicate what you want to tell to your
Hmm.
customer, or you should easily able to make them understand what you are selling
Yeah.
and why. Because if for each and every product, there are many competitors in the market.
Hmm.
So you should be able to convince in minimum words why you are better.
Okay.
So communication is the skill, is the key.
Hmm.
to enter the sales.
Okay. Like you faced any kind of like during starting of any career you may faced in
Yeah.
any challenge, right? Even if you are very brilliant in that specific subject, so like you have faced any kind of customer that wasn't able to understand you. You think that all right, I wasn't good enough, so I have to make these kind of shifts in my maybe vocabulary and all.
Yeah, there's a thing. That's in starting, what I used to do, I try to elaborate each and everything. We have this and that,
Yeah.
but now after some period, I learned that you should be able to make someone understand minimum words.
Okay.
You should speak only what is required.
Hmm.
You
It's
should be
like
able to tell your what you want to say you in minimum words and with in the easiest language possible. It is not required to use heavy words or something like that to make
hmm.
someone understand. You
Yeah.
should you should be able what you are trying to explain. You should be able to explain it in layman language, so each
Hmm.
and everyone can understand in minimum words because everyone doesn't have that much time to talk to you
Yeah.
for in a longer meetings.
Hmm. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
And sir, was there any turning point that you think was in your career that shifts your trajectory of your career? Any turning point?
I'll say the main turning point happened with me during in the year 2019.
Okay.
Yeah. So I was building machines at that time
Hmm.
and I visited an exhibition. So which we were having a stall in an exhibition and our sales guys were very busy.
Okay.
So I was at the machine and one of the customers came and no one was there to attend him. So at that moment, I attended the customer. I explained him each and everything. And that moment, I thought, yeah, I think I am ready to be in sales because I was able to convince the customer.
Hmm. Yeah.
So at that point, I thought, yeah, this is something I can focus on.
Okay.
After that, I've started my MBA.
Okay. So in 2019, you've started your MBA.
Yes, while I
And
was working.
okay. And it is also mentioned here that you have done an executive program in sales and marketing.
Yes,
And it was after the MBA or before the MBA?
after the MBA.
Okay,
Yes.
so after M, because sir, as a student, we feel sometimes that all right, I have done my graduation, now I've also done my MBA, so it's now time to enter the corporate world. But like you have done, you have continued your studies even after the MBA. So how how did this decision come for you?
This isn't comes. Remember, the thing is, you should always be ready to learn new things.
Yeah.
Today's market is changing.
Hmm.
Earlier, it was changing in a long period of time. Now it is changing daily.
Yeah.
Daily in market, you have something new. So
Hmm.
if you want to stay in the market, if you want to compete, you should be able to. You should have this. I'll say the ability to learn something new each and every day. So I've got a call from basically one of my friend did this course.
Yeah.
I got a call him by this. I said,
Hmm.
yeah, I also want to do it. Let me do some research. So I
Yeah.
talked to some alumni also. And
Okay.
when you go for an institute like IIM,
Hmm.
you'll basically these courses are not just to grab some knowledge which they are teaching you. It is to improve yourself. It
Okay.
is to find out what are the key points which you are missing
Hmm.
and that you can learn during the duration of these courses.
Okay.
It is not just about the bookish knowledge which they are
Yeah.
going to give you.
Hmm.
It's about how you can improve yourself while doing these courses. What is
Yes.
your weak point? On
Hmm.
which point you should focus more so that you can improve yourself.
Okay.
Yeah. Even now, I'm looking for some course. If I can learn something more, I look for new courses on daily basis.
Okay. Like,
Yeah.
what are your like target courses that you may want to learn?
The thing is, I said the market is changing every day.
Yes.
Now, AI is
Hmm.
a very important tool which each and everyone should know. So
Yes.
it's my advice if you are going to start your career by this year or after 2 3 years, AI is a tool which you should learn.
Yeah.
It will going to help you on daily basis in your daily life. So
100%.
yes. So when I started my career, AI was not even there.
Hmm.
Back in 2015, AI was not there. But now
It
it's
was
a
really internet era at that
yeah,
point of view.
yeah. Now it's an integral part of your day-to-day life, whether you are using a phone or anything. So now I'm trying to learn more about AI.
Okay.
How I can use it in my daily life. How can it help me make my daily life easy? So things are changing. You should always learn new things. Even if you're 60-year old, you should learn new things.
Okay, yeah, that's one of the sir.
Yeah.
It's going to be one of the learning from this session,
Yes, yes.
100%. Sir, it is also mentioned that you're specialized in CI Flexo industry. What kind of
Yeah.
industry is that, sir?
The thing is, for the industry which I work for is the printing and packaging industry.
Okay,
So our industry, I'll say, is the most hidden industry.
okay, yeah.
You use our products on daily basis, but you even don't know that this industry exists.
Hmm.
So even if you eat a Lay's packet or if you drink a Coke or something,
Yes.
have you ever thought where this packet has been, how this packet has been made, how this
Okay,
label has been made? So our
okay,
industry made these printing, these labels, these packets. So
okay.
CI is a technology, is a more advanced technology
Hmm.
which we use for printing.
Okay. So, printing it is useful for any kind of brand or for specifically for these sectors of products or
Each and every packaging you are using in your
okay.
daily life. Even if you are using even you are buying something from a local shop and
Hmm.
he is giving you something by packing in a polythene, which you
Okay.
threw out. If something is written on that, that is also
Hmm.
printing.
Okay. And sir, according to you, what would be the cost of if one unit, a lace packet, what would be the cost of making it?
So the thing, the machines which we sell start somewhere from 5 CR.
Okay,
Yeah. And it goes up to 25, 30, 40 CRs.
5 CR. Okay.
Yeah.
And sir, and when you were doing your BTech, so was that industry was in your mind that all
No.
right, we have okay,
Oh, I happened to enter this industry by an coincidence.
okay,
Actually, yeah, I had my campus placement in a totally different industry, and I was looking to change because I didn't like that company. So I was
hmm,
looking for change. And while going through Nokia.com and other websites, I saw a vacancy in Uflex.
okay,
Yeah. So I was like, okay, I'll have to build machines. That's my core.
hmm,
I went for the interview. I just did some research before going for the interview. And
okay,
then I got to know that there's this big industry,
yeah,
around $600 billion industry,
okay, six
which is
hundred billion
hidden.
dollars.
Yeah, which is hidden.
Well, of course, sir.
Yeah.
And were you right now also you're in this packaging and printing
Yes, yes,
industry, right?
yes.
And you're also parallelly selling for as a business executive for the
So
sales
I'm
also.
selling the same machines which I used to build earlier.
Okay, got it.
So
Sir,
in the first 5 years of my career, I
mhm.
was in the manufacturing. I was making the machines, and since last 5 years, I'm selling those machines.
Okay. So, sir, you're also a leader in your company, right? So, you have to manage a lot of people. So, is there any kind of a formula that you follows? Okay, so I have to do this so that I can manage my team well, effectively.
But the only thing is, you should trust your team.
Okay.
You should
Yeah.
have a trust in your team that whatever they're going to do, they're going to do it for the betterment of the company.
Hmm.
And you should not have any ego clashes or something like, yeah, I'm your boss. You should listen
Yeah.
to me. You should not have this type of attitude with your team. Your team should easily be able to reach you anytime with whether they are facing some personal problem or some professional
Hmm.
problem. They should be able to reach you anytime as a friend.
Yeah.
So what happens like in this case, you know exactly what everyone is facing, what everyone is doing, how you can
Hmm.
help them, where they need your help, whether they're weak points. They'll be very open to you on all these things. So
Yeah.
it gets very easy to maintain the team.
Okay.
Yeah.
And sir, but what if there are some of the employees in the company that who wants to work for themselves, and it's not their primary problem also because everybody wants to work for the money. But if is there any way that you may want to change? I don't know, change is a good word here or not, but if you can shift his mentality from working from himself to working for the company, is there any way?
Yeah, this one I'm saying. Na, whenever there's only 2 points when a person will think about more about himself than the company if company or his seniors don't think about him.
Okay. Yeah.
So if your employer, if your team member is comfortable with you, he
Hmm.
knows that he's safe. Even if he commits a mistake, it is not going to be any have any effect on his career, or it will not be negative point for him.
Hmm.
The confidence is the key. If your team member has a confidence in you,
Yeah.
they will work for you. They will do anything to
Hmm.
make you happy
Okay.
because they know that they are safe. Because in
Yeah.
today's world, now companies are firing employees left and right. You
Yes.
must have heard in
Yeah.
Amazon have five, ten
Yes.
thousand employees. Their layoffs are going on.
Yes.
So in those cases, a person tries to work for himself so that he can be safe, even if his job is not there.
Hmm.
So each and every person, even if when you start working, the main core reason of working is safety, financial safety.
Yes.
That's the main core reason where ever anyone works in this world.
Hmm.
At the end of the day, if you're financially safe, if you have a good work-life balance,
Hmm.
you are not stressed from here.
Yes.
You will want to work for that company.
Okay. So, and so you're also a regional sales manager. And what does this mean, sir? Are you like
So basically, I handle the full North India region. So it
not?
contains 5 to 6 states, so Delhi, NCR, UP, Rajasthan, Haryana,
Okay.
Punjab, from J&K to I handle all these states.
Okay. And what is your main work here, sir?
So basically, it's to manage the team and to get sales
Okay.
from all these territories
Hmm.
to achieve the target of sales for North region.
And what would be adequate target for you, sir? A monthly or
Right
yearly
now,
basis?
basically, we have yearly based target. Right
Okay.
now, we have target of 110 CR.
110.
CR.
Okay.
Yeah. This is our target, and we have
Hmm.
achieved almost 70%
Okay.
already.
70.
Yeah.
And what state, generally buys more of your machines?
The most states are Delhi and UP
Delhi and UP. Okay.
because these two states have the maximum industries.
Okay. Yeah. Hmm. And sir, like, what kind of skills as this, machine building? What type of skills a student can need to be like, I want to build machines and also I have to these.
So basically, engineering is the basic thing you
Yeah.
need. Hmm.
Hmm.
Oh, and you should have just not you should have not have vocational. You should have hands-on experience.
Okay.
Now, how even in your when a engineering student goes to a college, most of them what they just try to cap the what's in notes the professor has given.
Mm-hmm.
Their main focus is only on exams, how to get good marks.
Yes.
But that's not how you will work in industry. Bookish knowledge will help you, but it will not help you every day. You should have a hands-on experience. You should more focus on practicals than just going for books.
Yeah.
You should have your theory clear, but your
Mm-hmm.
more focus should be on practicals, how to do things from by your hand.
Okay.
Then only because when I was a service engineer, so which
Mm-hmm.
there was a problem in the machine, and we used to go to a customer site to resolve the issue.
Yeah.
Then there was things which can only be solved if you have the hands-on experience and you know how to work on that.
Yeah.
If you have the practical experience,
Mm.
so practical experience is the requirement.
Okay.
Even if you are a software engineer or you are in any field, be it in
Mm.
finance or everything, you if you have experience on how to work on those problems, then you can easily achieve whatever you target you set for yourself,
Yeah.
not just the vocational.
And sir, yes, you have said this right. Like, as a student, also, no matter in what domain you are, you have to
Hmm.
focus on like you have to do internships, and also you get to know
Yes,
about the market and all,
market.
like how things are working and how you should approach
Hmm.
something specific. Now, so like when you were a student or like in early careers, how did you manage to find your strengths, core strengths that all right, these are my strengths, and I'm going to, work on these more and to make it even better.
So even if you're a student or even in an earlier career, you there's no way that you'll be able to know what are my weaknesses, what are my strengths. You'll
Okay.
get to know about them when you work.
Hmm.
Suppose if you are working on a project, so there are different parts of the project. So there will be some parts which will be easily able to do. I don't need any help. I'll do it anyhow.
Hmm.
I can do it like back of my hand. I know this like a back of my hand. But there will be some parts which will be difficult for you. For doing those parts, you'll need help or assistance
Hmm.
from someone else. So
Yeah.
those are your weak points on which you should work. So
Okay.
if someone says to you, yeah, I know my weakness and strength from day one, not possible. Because when you step into the world in a
Yeah.
professional career, there will be many things which you haven't studied or which you haven't faced.
Yeah.
So
100%.
you'll get to know your strengths and weaknesses when you work on them. As you work, you'll get to know, yeah, this is my strength, this is my weakness.
And sir, what were your like core weaknesses, if you can say?
So I'll say my core weakness, as I mentioned earlier, also was the communication when I entered sales.
Okay. Hmm.
Because before that, I don't have any reason or I didn't had the need to communicate on a daily basis with some new clients.
Hmm.
My communication was with my team,
Okay.
with my boss, for whom that was a
Ah.
very close. I was working in a close condition.
Okay.
So when I stepped out from the company and I was given the target and I was given the area that you have to go there and make the sales.
Hmm.
You have to catch the customer. You have to find new customers. You have to
Okay.
increase the business.
Hmm.
So at that time, I know, yeah, okay, I need something. I need to work on my communication skills. I need to work on my presentation skills.
Yes. Okay.
As I said, you'll get to know when you
Hmm.
face the challenges, you'll get to know your weakness and
Yeah.
strengths.
Yes, this I'm going to give one share my story because before these sessions that have started by our college TSPSR, I never knew that. All right, I have this. I can speak English. I knew that I can speak English, but after because joining these sessions, moderating them, I got to find out that all right, I can I have this ability in me that I can speak English, but I can even improve that. So that was really
That's
good of you.
something.
Sir.
Yes.
Yes. And so, like, you have any kind of mentor throughout this journey?
I'll say I have a man. I've got two mentors. One is in my college,
Okay.
and one when I started my professional journey. So in college, as I told you, I was more inclined towards the practical.
Okay.
So I had a professor which helped us in realizing how we was giving us hands-on experience.
Mm-hmm.
So he gave us the way how to move ahead by how to increase your practical knowledge. So he
Hmm.
showed us. We participated in many tech fests of IITs, IIT Bombay, IIT Kanpur. We made
Okay.
some. Have you? We made fighting robots. We
Mm-hmm.
used to participate in robo wars in
Mm-hmm.
those IITs, and then we went to NASA for a project.
Hmm.
Represented
Okay.
India.
In
Yeah,
NASA.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
For a project. So it is all because I got to know about all these things by that professor. He
Okay.
showed us the way how
Hmm.
to improve our practical knowledge.
Yes. Okay.
And later on, that practical knowledge helped me in my career
Hmm.
in manufacturing machines.
Okay. And said like how much time it would take to manufacture one machine from your side?
Basically, machines which we make it take around 4 to 5 months.
4 to 5 months.
Yeah.
Okay. And simultaneously, how many machines you are building?
Somewhere. So it depends on company and company because a person will focus on one machine.
Yeah.
An engineer will be only on single machine.
Yes.
So it depends on the company. Some companies can make 20 machines, some company can
Hmm.
make 10 machines
Okay.
in one go.
So, sir, as a fresher, I know I'm a fresher right now. So, if I want to focus on, okay, I also want to be in packaging and printing industry. So, what should be my core focuses on? Like, what things should I be focused on?
So depending on whether you want to start basically from sales or you want to
Mhm.
start from manufacturing.
Okay.
This is up to you. So even if you are going for a sale, you should be able to learn some basics about the machines. How they even if you are not from engineering background,
Mm-hmm.
you should be able to learn how a machine works because that is a basic thing.
Yeah.
You should be able to open your ears and open your mind. Okay, I will learn this. Even
Hmm.
though I'm not from this background,
Yeah.
but I will learn this. You
Hmm.
should be able to take on this challenge with you.
Yeah.
To, as I said earlier, to learn new things.
Hmm. Yes.
That's the core. Even if you want to do in any
Hmm.
career, communication and learning new things, you should be able for this.
Yes. So, is there any kind of information you give to yourself? Oh, okay, so I have to
Sorry,
learn
sorry,
this.
you are not clear.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Now it's okay.
Sir, I was asking, is there any kind of a time duration you set for yourself that, all right, I want to learn this specific thing in this specific time?
Yeah, time duration. Setting a time duration is the important thing because you can't take forever to learn a single thing.
Yes.
So you should make timelines. Okay, I'm entering this industry. I'm entering this profession now. So
Mm-hmm.
these are the things which I should learn before entering, which is easily available in the open domain. Then when I enter, then I'll give basically there's a probation period in every company of
Mm-hmm.
6 months, 3 months. So
Okay.
that period is for you to learn,
Okay.
and you should make a target. Okay, this I have 6 months. I'll complete this in 3 months,
Okay.
and then next 3 months I'll have expertise on this.
Yes. Okay.
So setting timelines makes the process easy for you. It helps you in focusing on those things.
Yeah.
So
Sir,
setting time,
uh-huh.
yes.
No, 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 please continue, sir.
Yeah. So you should, for each and everything, you should have a timeline, have a timetable. Okay, I'm doing this now. I know 10% of this, and in next 2 weeks, I'll be able to know 30% of this.
Yeah.
And target should be clear. No
Hmm.
one can go from 10% to 100% easy. So you should
Yeah.
make your targets according. Okay, now I have done this 10%. Next
Mm-hmm.
2 weeks I'll do it 30%. But
Yes.
in those, you should able to do it in 1.5 week,
Yeah.
not in 2 weeks.
Hmm.
That should be your target.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, if you see college students, freshers, of course, what are these, sir? You think that they are doing the biggest mistake that they should not do or they should avoid?
Though biggest mistake which college students do, they try to do each and everything simultaneously. Like, I'll do this
Okay.
also, I'll do that also.
Uh-huh.
They don't. Most of them don't have a clear vision. So, what you should have a clear target. Okay,
Hmm.
I'm doing this course. My target is that company or that job or that position. So how I can reach there? It's
Yeah.
not like okay, ये नहीं हुआ तो यार कल दूसरा कर लें कोई बात नहीं. This should not be there. You should have a clear target. Okay, I'll have to do this and I'll do this. And if you have a target, you can work for it. फिर I think यार आज ठीक है, I want to join. Suppose you are in finance or I want to join EY. नहीं
Hmm.
हुआ कोई नहीं यार, कोई SDFC ज्वाइन कर लेंगे अब. I'll use some नहीं. If your target is JP Morgan or EY, you should work for that. You
Yeah.
should know, okay, I've done my BBA, or I've done my BCom, I've done my BTech. Now, what is the next step? How can I reach there? Whether I need to go for a post graduation,
Hmm.
or I can start working, I can take some experience, and then I can join that. You should have
Hmm.
a clear steps, clear procedure. Okay, I'm going to follow these things. So,
Okay.
if you make a target, it will be easy for you.
Yes.
You'll work hard for that target. But if you don't have any target, you'll start doing things. Okay, अब ये नहीं हुआ तो चलिए दूसरा करते हैं. इसलिए then I'll try that. Then you will not reach anywhere. You will be stuck there at that position or at that point for your whole life.
Yeah.
So making a target is the most important thing.
Okay. So, you have said earlier that this industry that you're working it is changing every day. So, is there any kind of a new technologies that are coming in this packaging industry and all?
Yeah, as you mentioned earlier around CI Flexo. CI
Yeah.
Flexo came to India in last 15 years.
15. Okay.
Yeah. Before that, there was no CI Flexo in India.
Okay.
And even at that time, there were only one or two players who are using that technology.
Hmm.
And after COVID, now there are around 100 players who are using these technologies. So it
Okay.
is changing. It is
Hmm.
becoming an important part of my industry.
Hmm.
So when I got the chance to work on this technology, I was like, okay, because there were were very less people who knew about this technology
Yeah.
because our company had a collaboration with an Italian company.
Okay.
So there, people came here, they taught us how to make this machine, how to operate, what can we do to improve.
Mm-hmm.
So at that time, I was able to learn about these technologies, and it helped me because in my industry, only 10 to 12% people knows about this.
Okay. Okay.
So if something new is coming, you should not be afraid. You should, if you have a chance, you should always go for that.
Yes. And so, like, is AI going to play any kind of like a huge role in
Yeah,
this
yes,
industry?
yes, yes, yes. AI is going to play a role in each and every industry.
Yeah.
AI is not for a specific industry.
Yeah.
Even in machines, our machines are becoming smarter because of AI.
Mhm.
Now
Okay.
they know how much production they did today and how
Yeah.
much production was done yesterday, how much wastage was there. So
Mm-hmm.
these are the things which operator or the manual person used to do. Now
Okay.
machines are doing these things on their own.
Mm.
So it is easy for the owner of a company to handle its factory.
Okay.
So AI is going to change each and everything, that's for sure.
Mm.
That's for sure. You should learn about AI as soon as possible. And most of the people use AI only for writing mails.
Yeah.
And
Writing letters.
90% people are using
Yes.
AI for this.
100%. Yes, sir.
But you
Of
are
course.
just at the tip of the ocean where you are using. You are not even using 99.9% of the capability of AI.
Yes.
It's a, as you know, few years back, MBA was a part, yeah, everyone should do MBA,
Yes.
whether it's in finance or in operations,
Mm-hmm.
in any field, but everyone should have a MBA because it is going to help you because MBA is going to be a important part, is going to be a basic necessity for a job.
Okay.
Now, same thing is with AI.
AI.
Yeah,
Okay.
you
So
should
the
know how to use
uh-huh.
it. Mm.
So MBA is according to you, is MBA still relevant in 2025 6?
MBA is relevant because you got to learn things.
Hmm.
Because in what happens in your graduation,
Yeah.
you study about the course when in like when you're BA doing studying about the administration, how
Mm-hmm.
to run a business. But in MBA, you get to know the problems which people face.
Yeah.
You'll
Okay.
go on more on case studies,
Hmm.
how a particular company faced a problem and how they resolve their issue. So you got to learn from the experiences of others
Others. Yeah.
so that
What
you don't
mistakes
commit
I've
the
done.
same, yeah, so you don't commit the same mistakes in your
Yeah.
career. So MBA is any day important.
Okay.
It is not, it is not just for the sake of it. Okay, I have an MBA degree,
Hmm.
but you should learn in depth. But even whether you're doing MBA in finance, whatever
Hmm.
you're doing in operation or in marketing, you should learn. It will help you in going to the depths of that particular topic.
Okay.
I'm sure in BBA you have all these separate subjects, some
Yeah.
parts of marketing, some of financial, some of
Yes.
operations,
Production and operation
production.
also.
Yes, yes. But in MBA you'll focus on the particular part which you like.
Okay.
It will give you more in-depth knowledge about that thing,
Okay.
and you can use that knowledge plus the practical knowledge which you learn in the industry to
Hmm.
go in career to solve the problems over there.
Yeah.
Because when someone is a problem solver, he's definitely going to grow faster than the others.
Yes.
You see, there are thousands of employees in a company.
Hmm.
Then there are some lesser amount of managers, then some
Yeah.
senior managers. Then
Yes.
at the point, there will be only a single CEO. Not
Yeah.
every employee will become a CEO, but every CEO was an employee.
Yeah.
And why he became CEO? Because he learned how to solve the problem,
Okay.
how to give extra for the
Hmm.
company or for his profession. He did expertise in what he is doing.
Hmm.
That's why he is CEO,
Yeah.
because he was the problem solver. That thing will help you in your career.
Hmm. Yes, sir. You have mentioned like in MBA we got to learn about from others' mistake. So, is there anything that we can learn from your mistakes, sir?
Yeah, do MBA as soon as possible.
Okay.
If it's
Okay.
Okay, would you just go for MBA right after your graduation? Don't wait for anything.
Okay. So like I'm going to complete my BBA next year, so I think I should prepare for
Yeah,
CAT
you
also.
should. Yeah, you should prepare for CAT. You should prepare for MAT.
Hmm.
Even if you are preparing for CAT or MAT, you should have like I said, you should have a target. I'm want to enter in this college.
Okay. Yeah.
Even if you because if you prepare for CAT, okay, देखेंगे कोई भी मिल जाए,
Hmm.
then you will be happy within the lower college
Bare
also.
minimum also. Yeah.
So you should have a focus. Okay, nahin, I want this college only. I want to go for XLRI. I want to go for IIM Ahmedabad. I go for IIM Calcutta. You should have a clear focus in your mind because then only you will work for it.
Yes.
You should make a clear target. I'm going to achieve it. And how can I achieve it? I have to do these things. Then you'll have a proper plan with you.
Hmm.
That to achieve this target, I have to do all these things. So you should have a clear target.
This is like you're also leader in your company. So how important or how difficult it is for you to maintain your work-life balance, especially in this time where everybody is talking about you should work for these many hours, you should work for these many days.
So work-life balance, you can do. Work-life balance is for you when you have achieved something.
Okay. Okay.
If you are fresher, you are just starting your career. I think you should focus on learning new things. Even after your job, you should join some courses or learn something from YouTube.
Hmm.
So you will be relevant in the industry,
Yeah.
which is required for your job.
Hmm.
Since once you got to a point, you say, okay, now I've learned this much. It will help me. Now I will learn from the experiences of this. Then you can have a good work-life balance.
Yeah.
So what we generally do, we see, yeah, okay, this company gives 4 days a week of 8 hours a
Yeah.
week.
Yeah.
Google is doing this. Google provides this
Hmm.
much thing. So to reach to Google, you should have a certain set of skills.
Yeah. 100%. Yes.
So you should achieve those skills first. Then you can have a work life. Because if you are starting your career from 22, 23 of age, then
Hmm.
I think up to 30 years of age or 28 years of age, you have your weekends, you
Hmm.
have your day off where you can enjoy your life.
Yes.
But when you are working, you should focus should be on work. It's not like okay, it's been six, now I'm going to. If it's required, do it. I'm not saying कि ठीक है बिना मतलब के you'll just sit in your office to up to
Yes.
nine.
Yes.
Just but if your work requires your time, you should give it.
Okay. Yeah.
Your priority should be your work
Hmm.
on those in those years. Because once if you focus on other things, and then your one of your friend who is focusing more on his work or more giving his time to company to learn new things,
Hmm.
after some time he will be at another height of his career, and you will be like, yeah,
Yes. Huh.
हम नहीं पहुंच पाए or we should have done this.
Hmm.
So you don't have the that get at that point.
Yeah. It's like pain is better than regret.
Yes.
Okay. And sir, is there any kind of role? How important the role of R&D, especially in these packaging industry?
R&D is the most important part because you'll everyone is making machine. They are
Yeah.
around 50, 60 manufacturers who are making same machines. Some are selling machines on 50 lakhs. We are selling machine of 5 crore. Some are selling machines that starts from 10 CR.
Hmm.
So difference is this the R&D which they did.
Yes.
How you can make your current machine, your current thing better. So what is the pain point your customer is facing and how you can improve that part in your machine so that your customer will more satisfied. So R&D is an ongoing process. It doesn't stop.
Okay.
Yeah, because no one thought about putting an AI in our machines.
Yeah.
My current company is the first one who put AI in printing machines.
Okay.
So they stopped making lower models 5 years earlier, which people are still making. And they
Hmm.
after COVID, they shifted their focus only to this. And will you make these models only combined with AI, which
Hmm.
would help the customer. So
Yeah.
during those years, there were not many orders. But now we are the highest sellers in the market
Yes.
because we did our R&D, and even now our R&D is going on. because still there are some pain points which needs to be solved.
And what kind of problems that you're going to solve in future, sir?
So basically, we are, I'll say, managing the issue of manpower,
Okay.
dependency on manpower.
Hmm.
So while other machine needs 4 to 5 people to operate, our machine needs 2 people.
Yeah.
And now our plan in next 5 years is to make it a single person
Okay.
to be able to operate that machine. And after 20 years, no manpower is needed. Machine will run on its own.
Sir, don't you think that you're very you're innovating it? It's very good, but it's also decreasing the jobs also. Don't you think so?
No, no, no. The thing is, we are decreasing the unskilled labor.
Okay. Okay.
So now what will happen? In your plants, you have 50 people. Among them, 20 are skilled, 30 are unskilled.
Yeah.
So in future, you will be able to run your plant with these 20 people only who are skilled.
Hmm.
A single person will be able to operate 4 or 5 machines simultaneously. So requirement of unskilled people will be less. So in this whole case, the chances of mistakes, the human
Yeah.
mistakes, will also reduce drastically.
Yes.
Our industry is the highest where fire incidents happen
Okay.
because each and every product of ours is very flammable.
Okay.
So there are many factories which are burned totally 100% because of a human mistake,
Okay.
because of those unskilled labors.
Hmm.
We are trying to reduce unskilled labors. We are not, so even if they get skilled, they'll be easily able to get, save their jobs or get new jobs in the
Yeah.
market. Because upscaling is the requirement of the hour.
Yes. And sir, you think yourself you're a successful person right now?
I don't say that
Okay. And
because
what would be the reasons?
because I still have lots to achieve.
Okay.
I have
And
my target set,
huh.
and the day I'll get to the target, I'll say, okay, I'm a successful person now.
But don't you think so? When you achieve that target, so you'll set another target for yourself, or like there is one
No,
final
no, no.
stop.
There is one particular target for me,
Okay.
and
And
now
uh-huh.
I'll take around next 10 years more to achieve that target.
Okay.
Because
And
right now also I meet some people who's and they ask such questions that I'm not able to answer them.
okay.
I need help from my seniors.
Yeah.
So still there are many things which I need to learn and to be a very known or very reputable person in this industry, to get the top 1%.
Yes. And and what would be the definition for you? Like, if not in like in your field, but as a general person, what would be the definition of okay, I'm now successful, or like I've achieved?
The thing is, the thing which you learn, which you like to do, you should have proper knowledge and skill set for this thing. There should not be any missing skill set. There should not be things I know don't know how to do this.
Okay.
In my career, I even worked with unskilled laborers, and now I'm working with more skilled labor. So I need to improve. So I don't think anyone can be totally successful.
Yeah. Hmm.
So because there will be something which he or she might be lacking.
Yeah.
So you should be able to achieve anything, everything which you have wished for, which you should be able to achieve the target which you have set for your life. Then only you can be successful. That's according to me. Because if you are clear target, you'll work hard for that.
Yeah.
So even suppose if your target is okay, now, I want to be the director of a company,
Hmm.
and say in your whole career span, you'll not be able to be a director, but at least you'll be the VP or
Hmm.
the uh, executive or
CEO
up
or
to some
something.
level, yeah, at some
Yeah.
level. But you'll be like, okay, I've targeted this and achieved this. But still, you will be at a point where maximum of your friends or the people you know will be not at that
Level.
position
Yeah.
because they didn't work hard for that, because they didn't have a set target for that.
Sir,
Because
one more, yes, sir,
yeah,
please. No, please continue, sir. Please continue.
no, I was please.
Like, there's one question, sir, I had, how tough or like how easy for you to like maintain the quality when you produce mass products in that machinery?
So that is, I say, the work of a team, because we in every company there are departments for each and every part. There's a particular department who handles the quality, and if I'm making a machine, I'll try to, I'll say, communicate with all these departments to maintain the quality of the machine. Even if I'll have to communicate with 5 or 6 departments, I'll do that. There are people who say, okay, it's done, it's done. But then there will be people who will check each and every point, each and every step. So, as I said earlier, there should, because we have a proper procedure how to do it. I have a procedure that I'll have to follow this procedure in each and every machine.
Yes.
And I always follow that procedure. I never skip any step.
Okay.
Whether it's a time consuming, I know that this thing is right, this part is okay.
Hmm.
Even then, I'll go through the procedure to check that part, so that there will be not an issue in the future. So you should follow each and every step. You should have a proper guideline how to work. If you follow those steps, you follow the guideline, you will be able to maintain the quality of each and any product you make or any service you provide.
Okay. Sir, any final advice for the students who are watching you, listening you right now?
I'll say my final advice is believe in yourself.
Okay.
Stay disciplined, stay curious, and keep learning. Never stop learning new things.
Okay.
Because opportunities come to those who prepare. So always keep your ears and keep your mind open and learn from anyone, be it your younger from you, be it your older from you, or
Hmm.
be it your junior or senior. If you got to learn something from them, please learn, because it will help you in your career. Because at one point or another, you will be able to use that thing which you learned, and you will be able to achieve more and more. So always keep learning.
Okay. So that's wonderful advice, sir, of course. And I would request anybody else to, if you have any question for sir, you may ask now.
Now forum is open for all. If anyone wants to ask any question, any participants. Video turn on option is also enabled. Unmute yourself and ask the question. Anubhav, are you
Sir,
done?
may I?
Yes, continue.
Yeah.
Ajay sir, you please also unmute yourself.
It's all right. Let him ask first. Yeah, please go ahead. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Sir, how important is feedback, especially for not for the employees but for yourself also to improve yourself?
Yeah, feedback is very important because you'll get to know where what's the weak point, what is your where you are lacking, and
Yeah.
feedback can be from anyone. It's feedback from even in your daily life. If suppose if your girlfriend is saying something, your parents are giving you a feedback, your wife is giving you feedback, it
Yes.
will help you improve yourself. Because as I told you earlier, no one knows its weakness and strength from day one. They get
Yes.
to learn about it. They get to know it in their daily life by feedback.
Okay.
Feedback will help you grow. And feedback, whether it is in a positive or negative, it will help you grow. Even if someone is giving a negative feedback, don't be like, यार नहीं, ये तो जलता है मुझसे या नहीं. They will give, you will get to learn something from that.
Yes.
There might be some things with you which you, according to you, are right, but according to other people, it's not right. So you will have a different point of view to look at these things. Maybe you need improvement in that. Maybe you need to learn something else. Feedback is important in daily life, be it from anyone.
But sir, is there any kind of case that happened, like you given someone a feedback, maybe some criticism also, but he may took it in a bad manner, like anything?
Yeah, it happened in the starting of my career.
Okay.
There was we were making a machine, and there was some issue with the design.
Okay.
So while testing the machine, I've got to know that there's issue with design, and designer and my other seniors were standing there. So I told them that there's issue with the design, and the designer was like, "No, तू अभी नया नया आया, तुझे क्या पता?
Okay.
It will work like this only." मैंने कहा सर नहीं चलेगा. नहीं ये ऐसा ही है, ज्यादा ही तू नया नया अभी नया नया कॉलेज से निकल के आ गए, लगे अपना कुछ चलते हैं. And when the machine, same issue happened.
Okay.
There was issue in that design, but and then he resolved that issue. But after a year or something, we were not on the talking terms.
Okay. Okay. And sir, like any feedback for me, sir?
You did good today. Well, you did good. I think you have better communication skills than me.
Oh no, sir, come on.
No,
No, no,
definitely,
no, sir.
definitely.
No,
You
no,
should.
no.
You
Definitely.
should. It's your strength, and you should use it.
I will.
Communication is your strength, and you should use it.
Thank you so much, sir. That means a lot to you. I cannot take this like it's better than you, of course, sir.
No, definitely. I have no issues in that.
Okay. I think we can wrap it up now. Yukta, if you're there, over to you.
Ayukta, proceed
To
for vote of thanks.
session, sir.
Anyone having question? Yukta, you have a question or
No, sir.
cannot proceed for vote of thanks?
Okay. We are truly grateful for the presence of our distinguished guest speaker, Mr. Jay Prashar, sir. Your professional journey from engineer to sales leadership has been truly inspiring. Your insight on innovation, business development, and the future of the packaging and printing industry have enriched all of us. On behalf of entire TSPSR fraternity, I sincerely thank you, sir, for taking out time to enlighten us with your knowledge and experiences. Special thanks to our moderator, Mr. Anubhav, for conducting today's session with poise and clarity. My heartfelt gratitude to our respected dignitaries, faculty members, and dear students for joining us, making this session meaningful. Thank you all once again. Have a wonderful, insightful, and inspiring evening ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very
Thank
much,
you, sir.
Jaya. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.